Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how I clean my nasty dirty I think this one has like a gum or some kind of sticky stuff on here, because I guess one of my kid put like I'm not sure it's a sticker or it's a gum that was in the dryer and then got so dirty. And then this is from my changing of oil for my car. So let's go ahead and then get this started. First of all, you want to go ahead and then make sure you don't want to damage the fabric. This is the light blue Old Navy crew neck sweater. As you can see, you collect some of the gum on the neckline as well. This one is pretty old actually, the Old Navy. I had this one for a long time. So I don't think I'm gonna bleach it. There's a bleach, but you only want to use a bleach if you want to use it on the white color, else it's gonna fade. So I like to use my laundry stain remover Resolve. This one is a formerly spray and wash. I also use this for my sneaker cleaning. So since this one has like a sticky glue or gum, and then I'm gonna use a citrus cleaner. Okay, this one is a Auto Shop degreaser. I got this from Home Depot long time ago, and I still got some more left. So let's go ahead and spray this with the Resolve first. Let it soak in. You want to inspect it where else is dirty and stuff. So you want to give it a little bit, about like 5 minutes, let it soak in. And after that, I'm going to use a toothbrush to brush out the dirt. Dirt and then the grime, okay? And I'm also going to spray with the citrus. Make sure you spray on the spot. Oh man, I missed it right here. See around the armpit right here. Spray some citrus. Sometimes it's a good idea if you want to spray on, brush it on the inner side. You want to make sure you spray out the fabric. Wow, I see on the inside it's so dirty as well. So it's a good idea to brush it on both sides. You can go vertical and horizontal, but try not to brush it too hard or else you might damage your fabric. No, missed the spot right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but as I brush it, it seems like it's coming out already so quickly. So focus on the sleeve. Wow. So it's disappeared by itself. Special magic. So as you can see right here, you can see the dirt. Be sure to spread out your fabric, okay? Or you cannot brush it when it's wrinkle or clump together. So after you brush it and everything, you want to turn on like hot water and then rinse it through it. And then after that, you put in the laundry, wash it. Or if you need to, some of your clothes are dry clean only, you want to hang your clothes. And then wash it with your hand and dry it. Let it dry by hanging on the shower. Or if you're a laundry hanger or rack, then you put it outside and let it dry. Armpit, okay. All right, I think that looks good. Let's go ahead and then rinse it, and all the dirt and grime should come out. Oh my God, I missed the back. What's going on? There are so many. What the? I don't think there's anywhere else. It's good. Okay, let's go. Gone. Alright, so let's recap real quick. We clean the neckline, okay, clean. And then on this side, the armpit. As you can see, all the gum is gone, all the sticky stuff. And then right here was a whole bunch of dirt, and then it is all gone. And then where I got the oil, when I change the car oil, it is gone. Okay, come out nice and perfect. And then on the back, it is gone. Don't worry about that. That's from the Old Navy. It shows black. So after this thing dried up, put it in a low and wash it. It's gonna come out very clean. All right. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any of the comments on below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.